Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony SRS-XB13 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not pairing or syncing with your device, if it keeps disconnecting, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set it up again because all of the pairing history and everything will be deleted. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to get this speaker set up new, like you're just taking it out of the box with its factory default settings, we can do that really easily. Now for this to work, the speaker needs to be powered on. And once the speaker is powered on, we're just going to come and press the volume down and the Bluetooth buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds until the reset is complete, and the speaker will power off when this initialization is complete. You can release the buttons, and you can just come in, turn the speaker on, and set it up like a new speaker.